Do you have a sloppy mess that you don't want to suck up in your shop vac? Do you have a tight corner that your shop vac hose will not reach in? If you've answered yes to either one of these questions, we have a solution for you here at Cajun Country Living.
Hey y'all, and welcome back to Cajun Country Living. Today we're going to be getting the gas out of our generator for hurricane preparations, which most of y'all know that we live in South Louisiana, so that tends to happen a lot in the summer. So what we're going to do today is use our air compressor to get the old gas out of our fireman generator. So let's get started.
A lot of times you need to vacuum things out, and if you have a shop vac, you don't want to vacuum up something nasty to go in the collection pot of your shop vac, because then you'll have to clean that up and it's another mess. Fuel. You can't suck fuel out of a fuel tank because of the electric motor. It's an explosion hazard. So what we're going to do is we're going to offer you a solution for that today. Okay, so a couple things that we're going to need to get started to vacuum the fluid out is a bucket to collect your fluid in. You're going to need a nozzle for the end of your air hose, and you're going to need a short piece of hose. You can use garden hose, you can use any type of hose that you like. But today we're going to be using this clear hose, that way you can see what's going on.
So whenever you have your hose, you're going to take a drill and you're going to drill in a hole. You don't have to be 6 inches, but around 6 inches away from where the tip's going to go in. So we chose to use this type of nozzle, and that way you don't have to worry about what kind of pressure you have on your air compressor or not. So we just cut this hole on this hose to fit right inside here. Show y'all.
Okay, so what's going to happen here is the air going out of the end of this tube from this blower, the velocity of this air flowing out is going to create a vacuum behind this nozzle. So we put this bigger piece of water hose on here because we're going to be vacuuming up some shavings off of this saw behind us, just so you can see how to do the bigger stuff. We hope you enjoyed this video today. This just goes to show you that just because you don't have a certain tool, don't mean that you can't use a little imagination and come up with your own.